Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Spigen Samsung Galaxy Note 8 rugged armor matte black case. So I don't like putting cases on my phones because I just prefer the feeling of the phone. Same with screen protectors. I've never put one on my phone in my life. So the only reason I bought this is because my buttons are falling out the phone now. It's been over 4 years now. So I am doing an upgrade, but I don't like any of these new phones because they're lacking. I think the last good one was Note 9. These new ones, they're lacking the, what do you call it, SD card slot, which is a major thing for me because I use this phone to record, sometimes even edit, lots of video content, everything, you know. So a lot of data movement, and unfortunately there's not fast enough speed of transferring that stuff any other way. So SD card was the best solution for me. Also it's a backup because these phones do crap out a lot, these Samsung phones, and they will die on you randomly. That's when you lose your data. Having no option to be able to store it on SD card, which is more safe and reliable, is very bad. And then second reason was the headphone jack. They got rid of it. The Note 9 was the last one that had both of them, so I'm probably going to buy a used Note 9, a really good condition one. But for now I'm just going to run this along for a bit longer. So that's why I bought the case. So my Bixby button fell out a long time ago. Now my volume up and down button, that keeps falling out. I glued it a few times but it keeps falling out. So, and the power button slowly about to die, so I can tell that. So the reason I bought this is it has buttons on this. So what you do is put this back in place as a placeholder, your old buttons, and then this will go on top of it so you can't fall out. So then you can just press it as a normal button. So that's my plan, and hopefully it works. Because yeah, I took it to a phone shop anyway. They said there's high risk of damaging the screen while doing it. They have to unglue everything to fix these buttons pretty much, which is shit. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so it's got a nice black and orange packaging. I like it. Something you want. Nothing else there, I guess. Oh, oops. Got like a pull tabby. What the hell? Never seen one of these before. Okay then. I mean, you could have just had a normal pull. But yeah. Go on. This is the case. It was £9, guys. Let's have a look at it. Comes in very basic packaging. Oh, it's very nice though. Quite bendy though. Very bendy actually. Very flexible. Which is not the best, I guess. But yeah, because it's matte, it'll be a bit more, rather than this glass, a bit more, grippy. So that's good. You got carbon fiber effect at the top, carbon fiber effect at the bottom. Spigen logo, which looks pretty cool as well. You got the cutout for all the cameras and the heartbeat sensor and the fingerprint sensor. There's your power button. All the cutouts at the bottom for your headphones, your charger port, your speaker, everything. So this is the main bit. That's what I needed, just to hold it in place there. So the real one's got to be inside there. Yeah. Wow. Okay guys, this is the case. It's a bit bulky, but I quite like it. It's not that bad. But yeah, the main thing the only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't get rid of heat. Like if you're doing some certain things, it grabs a lot of heat on it and just keeps it stored there. That's the only bad thing about this. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the back. Looks quite beautiful actually. And yeah, I actually like this. For the fingerprint sensor, it's a lot better because it's like a groove. Can you see that groove? So it's a lot better. to feel it. And yeah, got the buttons working now. So yeah, there's no really complaint. It's what I need, so it'll do the job. It just makes it a bit bulkier. As you can see, it's a bit thicker on the corners compared to how big the phone is. Even width-wise, it's quite thicker. But yeah, it does the job and it looks nice. So for the price, it's decent. £9. Hi guys, really nice case. I like it. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I would recommend buying this. It's quite nice. £9 is not bad, and there's no fingerprints on this, so it won't get dirty, so that's good. Okay, see you guys next time. Goodbye.